Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can create your own trading pair on SunSwap. This tutorial is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders looking to expand their portfolio on TRON network. Let's start creating. Learn how to create and manage a trading pair on SunSwap in this easy-to-follow tutorial. Enhance your trading skills on the TRON network by adding liquidity and engaging with the community. Perfect for crypto enthusiasts looking to expand their trading strategies. Before we begin, let's understand what a trading pair is. A trading pair involves two different tokens that can be traded for each other on an exchange. On SunSwap, one of these tokens is typically TRX, TRON's native cryptocurrency. Creating a trading pair on SunSwap involves a few simple steps. Step 1. Select Pool and add liquidity. Start by selecting the Pool option and then add liquidity. Step 2. Choose your tokens. You will need to select two tokens that you want to pair. One of these should be TRX. Enter the amount for each token you wish to pool. Step 3. Creating the pool pair. After entering your tokens and amounts, click Create Pool Pair. This action initializes your new trading pair. After creating your pair, the next step is crucial, adding liquidity. Confirm your wallet transaction. You will need to confirm the transaction in your wallet. This might require you to sign off on the transaction if you have security features enabled. Transaction. Submission. Once confirmed, your transaction for creating the trading pair is submitted to the blockchain. Success. Confirmation. After the network confirms the transaction, your trading pair is live on SunSwap. You can now trade or provide further liquidity as desired. Successfully managing your new trading pair involves regular monitoring and adjustments based on market conditions. Ensure you understand the liquidity demands and potential shifts in token value to maintain a healthy and profitable trading environment. That's it. You've just learned how to create and manage a trading pair on SunSwap. Whether you're looking to trade or provide liquidity, these steps will help you engage actively in the TRON ecosystem. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates on navigating the world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.